Good day mga ka-explorer! We're here at the Pacific View Deck, the epic and stunning view at the province of Aurora, located at Barangay Paltik, Dingalan. Home of the majestic landscape, often it's called Batanes of the East, as it imitates the rolling hills and the blue waters of the island of Batanes. Come and visit here with your families and friends, experience the beauty of nature and discover the breathtaking landscape of the Pacific. Let's explore the place and enjoy the video.